Hi, welcome to this demonstration of Raspberry Pi based Reader for Blind project. Now this is a very innovative project in which this is a camera which records a photo, which actually captures a photo of a paper from which it can read the data for the blind. For aiding the reading process, we have this Raspberry Pi based project. This is the Raspberry Pi which has the system in it installed, and this is the LCD over which we will get various commands that has been processing by the project, and this is the speaker over which the project will speak out. And on this board that you can see, the plastic board, the area has been marked by square braces in which the paper has to be placed for the system to read out. So let us place this paper and turn on the project to see how the project works.
Raspberry Pi Reader for Blinds.
As you can see,
Searching for camera.
it is calling out various commands that has
Camera
been
found
processing.
it. Place the paper and press the switch.
As the instruction said, we have to place the paper and then press this switch, which will initiate the process of reading. So when we press
Capturing
the
image.
switch, it captures the image and processes it and converts this text into
Image
speech.
captured. Processing for the speech.
Once the process is complete, it will start reading out the text that it has processed.
Process complete. Press switch to stop playing.
We can press this switch to
Patient
stop.
health monitoring. The project patient health monitoring consists of a Mega 328 microcontroller based system which continuously monitors patient heartbeats and its body temperature. The project also contains the push buttons 5, which is used to control the functions, and the G range of heartbeats add lower heartbeats and higher heartbeats.
So as you can see, it read out the
Speech
whole
completed.
paper, and when the
Place the
speech
paper
completes,
and press the switch.
it says so that speech is completed. And for continuous reading, we can again place another paper and then press the switch and it starts to read again. So in this way, the blind can be aided to read various papers that he wants to read. We can place another data. It should be placed upside down this way so that it can read, and then press the switch. And the visibility of the paper should be good for the camera so that it can take a good image
Capturing image.
and capture it and process it.
Image captured. Processing for the speech. Process complete. Press switch to stop playing. Depend upon the range. Germ controller sends the alert SMS to the doctor via your GSM module. We have to configure mobile number first by calling the GSM module. The controller automatically reads the call and fetches our mobile number to send the alert SMS in future. We must have to configure mobile number whenever system starts. FI. Speech completed. Place the paper and press the switch.
So as you can see, it read the whole paper within the area that was specified. And so this is how the project works.